History Heroine is Brí Toran. Brí Toran is the former Deputy Chief Executive of ESB, but she is a woman who has dedicated her entire life to putting her hand behind her and bringing women up throughout their career.
My Herstory heroine is Zandra Mitchell. She was the first female saxophone player from Ireland. Not only was she an extraordinary musician, but she was also such a feisty heroine, and I think she should be remembered more.
Today, what came to mind is my ballet teacher, and her name was Myrtle Lampkin. And Myrtle made roads when there was a wilderness for arts and for dance.
My history heroine is Nora Patton because she's Irish history in the making.
My history heroine would have to be Hannah Sheehy Skeffington. What I really love is her quote, "Until the women of Ireland are free, the men will never really achieve true emancipation." I think that quote really still rings true today with this whole concept of allyship to minorities as well.
My absolute heroine is the Irish goddess Bridget. In her myths and legends, she always found a way to get what she wanted, but by the other person acceding to what she needed. And I thought that is a great skill to have in our modern world. So I see her as the quintessential Irish woman.
So I'm choosing Sarah Phillips. She's the chairwoman of the Transgender Equality Network of Ireland. And for me, she's done like a lot of positive work for trans people in Ireland. And like she's helped me in a lot of ways.
It would be my mom, definitely. You know, she changed career when she was in her late 30s and kind of revamped her whole life. And she's just, her ability to be able to do that is constantly inspiring.
Any woman I see around me could have a story like that in them. My inspiration is trying to be one of the best women I can know and giving that kind of credit to the women I see around me as well.